Hi everyone, Christy Martin here with Martin's Floral and Home Decor in Springfield, Missouri. And of course, Maddie behind the camera. We just wanted to bring you, we just got new product again. And of course, we want to share it with y'all as soon as we can. So here we go. Now, first of all, my favorite dahlia buds again. We've gotten some similars in, but these are the new ones. And it's a beautiful bouquet. So I hope you all will definitely like that. This is gorgeous. A sedum bush and also a beautiful sedum wreath. And for piecework, this is a great buy. So all of my people that like to do their own thing, this is great. And of course, these are going to be gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Succulents for our succulent collectors. There are so many new ones. So many new ones. And these, see them in the greenery. All the different, there's aloes, there's everything. And some of the burgundies are coming back in. This is just a small collection of what just came in. And we'll bring you more of this as we get through the week. Now, over this way, new stems. Look at this sweet little mini rose. This is going to be great for piecework. Brides, this is going to be great for boutonnieres and things. I love the shades. I love the shades. Uh-oh. Green berries. Beautiful berries. Kind of like the blue and the beauty that we showed you last time. This is the green one. And somewhere along the way, you will also see the shorter version. Oh, 2 new tulips. Look at the beautiful baby tulips. Look at this little color.
So pretty.
Oh, I just think these are gorgeous. And we are selling tulips fast. So, we had this in the hanging last time, and now it's in an upright. This ficus foliage is selling very well because it looks really real. Very real. Where are we going? Here we go. Oh, zipper grass. Many of you love that zipper look. This is a new taller one and a bright, bright green, two-tone green for the spring works. And of course, our favorite little lace leather fern is back in. Many of you have been waiting for this, so you'll be getting your phone calls. Oh, ta-da. Look at these. These are gorgeous little mini hydrangeas. The blues and the greens are both back in because I know we have many brides asking for them. Now this, probably one of my favorite new bouquets. This thing is stunning.
I love the colors on it.
Yes, and look, and there's 3 in here, and it is Real Touch. They are gorgeous. I think these will disappear fast, so don't wait too long on those. Oh, here we go. Look at this. This is one of Maddie's favorites. It's a little mini bouquet. Look how tiny it is. But it has berries. It has hydrangeas, the roses, the buds. This would be a great little break-apart piece. Or just a great drop-in for those tiny vases. And then look, this matches. These were the 2 colors we got in the tall the other day. And of course, it can be broke apart. So this is a good usable piece. Bouquets. Wait till you guys see the bouquets. Okay, we've had this before. I haven't been able to get it for a while. It's gorgeous with the greens and the burgundies. And just everything. Peonies, hydrangeas, your little seed spray. And then, this is the really bright colored one. I always love this because it's great to break apart for piecework. You could actually put some greenery in there and just be done with your bouquets. Which brings us to these. Look at this fresh one. Got that beautiful blush tone that the brides like. This is beautiful shades. Now, many people are doing the natural look in their decor. This is perfect for that. I think this is gorgeous. And Maddie's favorite. Ta-da! Tulips and hyacinths. And
these are
Real
unique.
Touch.
So
These are
pretty.
Real Touch. They're beautiful. Yes, I think these will go fast too. So if you like them, come by soon. This, of course, here's one of the green hydrangeas. Green peach. Or coral, however you want to call it. Kind of leans both directions. This could go peach or coral. And, oh, look at this gorgeous blue one. There's blue, and then there's a cream, and there's also a pink. Ta-da! There's the pink. I love all of those. Now, last but not least. Oh, wait a minute. That's a different one. I think that's the one we just got. We were just there. Oh, here we go. For those of you that have been waiting for the big callas, this is a beautiful white one. All right. Well, kids, we're going to be getting freight all week. Have a great week. We hope to see y'all soon. Take care.